you want to reset Safari on your iPhone, whether to clear browsing data, fix performance issues, or resolve errors, follow these steps. While there is no single reset button for Safari, you can clear various types of data to get a fresh start. So let's get started. Step 1. Clear Safari history and website data. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Apps, find Safari browser, scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Confirm by tapping Clear History and Data. This will remove all browsing history, cookies, and other website data. Right after that, scroll down again, tap Advanced, tap Website Data, tap Edit or remove all website data to delete specific site data or clear everything. Step 2. Turn off Safari extensions, iOS 15 and later. From here, you need to go back and tap Extensions. Turn off any installed extensions by toggling the switches. This can help if an extension is causing performance issues. Now restart your iPhone. Your Safari will perfectly reset. By following these steps, you can effectively reset Safari to improve performance and resolve issues. If problems persist, consider restarting your iPhone or updating to the latest iOS version.